Today I am going to be doing a jerk chicken for you. I have a four I have a 4 pound chicken here that I wash with some lime juice and clean it up and cut it into 4/4. So I am going to show you how to do this. So, because a lot of people just have a small family and just want to know how to jerk a small chicken. So, this is what I'm going to be showing you. If you're going to be doing more, just double up the spices, right? But here we go. I'm going to be putting in, as a matter of fact, I want to grate my garlic for this, right? But I am going to be putting in a small onion. See it? In my magic bullet here. And I'm going to be using 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. If you want more spicy, use more spicy. But I am putting in 2 Scotchy. Right? When I am doing a batch, it is different. But just for this chicken alone, I'm going to be using 2 Scotch bonnet pepper in there. Some people love it spicy, some people don't. I am going to be putting in 4 stalks of scallion. I'll be grating in the garlic. And I am going to be using 2 tablespoons of oil. And the reason why I'm using the 2 tablespoons of oil, so that the seasoning can hold on to the chicken, right? I don't use vinegar in my spice in here. So if I need a little more oil, I'll put it in there. Going to use some fresh thyme. See, a nice handful of thyme here. All these are already washed and prepared for you to see. Let me turn it upside down. There we have it right there. My little grater. Give me the little grater, please. It's in over here. It's better. So the garlic don't powder out. We have a piece of ginger right here too. So just watch me as I go by here. It's very important. We're going to do a piece of ginger. We're not going to use all of this, right? But we're going to grate the ginger too. See this? And we do it. Even get the skinny there, it doesn't matter. It has a flavor. And this should be enough ginger. Okay, now, my friends and family, watch me as I do this. I want you to take a look at this. Do not pierce your chicken. Don't pierce the skin of the chicken, right? Because you want, when you're jerking it, it keep the moisture in your chicken and it don't, dry out. So all that I do, I just do like that. Let me show you. See it? Don't go too hard with your knife. And this, we're going to season it and leave it overnight. Good. There. Here's a tie. Remember now, try not to pierce your skin. Okay? So we're going to put that right there. We're going to put in a teaspoon of nutmeg. You don't want to put too much nutmeg now because it can make it bitter. So I'll put a little bit more, about a quarter teaspoon more of nutmeg. We're coming into the powdered season now. I'm going to use a teaspoon of jerk seasoning. I'm going to use a teaspoon of the Maggi seasoning. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of paprika. If we want more, we add a little bit more. We'll just see it on the coloring and things when we go by. Some black pepper. About half a teaspoon of black pepper. Here we go with the special pimento. We did our own pimento too. 2 teaspoons of pimento. Because we don't have the pimento leaf or nothing, and you want it to taste of the pimento. And we're going to use, because remember we have a lot of salt there, a teaspoon of salt. Remember, this is a 4-pound thing of a 4-pound chicken right here. Give me a gloves, please, honey. I am not doing this too spicy because I'm doing it at a regular flavor so people can enjoy it. And if them have, some family who can't eat no pepper or don't like too much pepper, they cannot tolerate this. Now this is the dry rub. So, and the other one in the plastic over there is the wet seasoning. The one in the thing which is coming up next. But we want to rub this up because this have the salt, the pimento, the nutmeg, you know, the jerk powder, the chicken powder. So you want this to soak into the meat good. So you massage this in, you know. Nice. Okay, now stay tuned for this. Coming up with my wet rub now. See that? That is my garlic, pepper, onion, scallion, thyme. Whoa. See that? I don't know if it's a sign or is what. See, look how nice this is. My friends and my family, remember the measurement I give you. Check it out. Do it the same way. Let me know how yours come out. Right? Like I said, if you want it spicy, do it more spicy. But you see this? Oh, my Lord, this is going to be so nice. And then now, you're going to slow cook it on the grill. But you will see that when I am doing that. And for you who don't have a grill, do it in the oven. Do it at 350 degree. And you do it for about 2 hours or maybe a little bit more than 2 hours. In 1 hour or so, you can turn it, but don't keep flipping it because you don't want the juice running out. Just make it stay first. Turn it up this way first and put it in the oven if you have to do it in the oven, right? And then now, when you're kind of brown up, you flip it over. And if it want more pepper, we just rub up more pepper. But I don't think it want no more pepper. Just make it sit there, and like when we're going to do it tomorrow now, we will take it out for about half an hour or so before. This is nice. Okay, my friends, so we'll catch you when we're about to start jerking this chicken up. Stay tuned. Please to share, to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment. Thank you. Okay, just remember the chicken that I seasoned last night and put it in the remember I told you not to pierce the skin right here. Oh my God, So here, okay. Let's spread out this fire a little bit more. And it can take its time and do its thing. All right, so here we putting on the chicken on the grill, the 4/4 that I seasoned up last night. So here it is. I'm going to lock it down and let you see. Now I have my 4 pieces of chicken here, and I'm going to close the grill and let it take its time and, cook. We don't know big fire on it to make it blaze and burn. And the chicken is not done. All right, let me rinse off my hand. Okay, I'm going to turn it again, give it another turn. Nice and slow, it's coming on. Whoa. See how pretty it is? This is not burnt, it's charred. Nice. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Tell me this is not pretty. Whew. Wordy, wordy, wordy. Let me turn this part in. Nice. See it? Okay. Look what I do here. And this, I am pressing. This is a piece of block. Nice. That is how you do original thing. To press the meat, the oil, the fat run out, and then the smoke goes up inside of it. So this is what I invented because I didn't have what I want to use, right? Normally when I'm doing lots of chicken and even the pork too, I had to get like a sheet of zinc or a big thick piece of wood and put over it to press it. So now I just use this piece of block and wrap it with a piece of foil paper and press it, and it's doing marvelous. So just wait and just stay with me for a little more longer and you will see it. Okay, you see the difference now? Look at this. You see when you press it? Look at that. You see the chart? You see the meat cooking right here? Look at that. See it? Look how nice this is. Eh? What me on, honey? See it? Wow. I think this is ready to come off now. See it? We have it on a good 2.5, 3 hours on slow roasting. See it? Nice. We're going to first cut a piece of the breast and we will see how if it's soaked properly. Other son Mark, and he only see me when he wants food. See? I think they will knock off your head. We're eating.
The best Jamaican jerk chicken right here. She make it.
Oh,
Jamaican breadfruit. And we call this we call this again, ma?
festival.
Festival. Yummy.
You like it? The chicken not over spicy. Just right. Nice.
Hot.
It hot? Oh, good. All right. Because I did some mild, and some spicy for us.
All right.
Mm. All right. So stay tuned with us until I get back home. I just come to pay a visit to my little grandbaby and to this other big-head son of mine. So we will catch you right back. Now we are heading back home, just leaving my son's house, right? All these flowers here, these are my baby boy that plant them up here. Look at those over there. Marlon, let them take a look at those flowers over there. Hmm, they're mums. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, Pops, let's go.